Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. What you need is, or what I like to do is, turn the stove on medium, like halfway almost, and then get some butter out, and almost use the butter as olive oil. Because, well, there's two reasons why I like to do that. One, it uses it as olive oil, and two, it helps slather the bread completely with butter, which, I don't know, just tastes better. So, you need to get your bread out too, before the butter melts. And then get one piece of bread out, or two if you want to. Then when the butter is almost melted, like there's only like a little bit of butter left, take your piece of bread, drop it on there, and swirl it around like that. So then, perfect coat. Perfect. Then, what you want to do is next, is get another slice of butter, slap it on the stove, let it melt, then take your bread and lather it with butter. Again, you wait for the butter to be almost melted. Another perfect coat of butter. Then what you want to do is turn on, like between medium and high. Put your bread on there. Take your cheese, because I'm making a ham and cheese sandwich. Put it on the bread, like that. Get your ham. And I like meat, so I usually get a lot. So let's get some pieces of ham. Put it on there. Get your other piece of bread out, and make sure you put the butter facing up, the other side, so when you flip it, the butter will be on the stove. And what I like to do is I like to squish it, like just press my spatula against the top of the side, so when I flip it, it won't go everywhere. And while it's cooking, I usually clean up, so I won't have a big mess to clean up, so I can eat it without having to worry about putting stuff up. I can just put stuff up while I'm cooking, and I'm fine. And I like my sandwiches really crispy, so if you feel like yours not crispy, you just need to cook it for not as long. I like mine really crispy. And when you're in the middle of cooking, what I do is I turn it up a little higher, so I can, so it won't cook as fast or slow. So it will cook faster. And when you're done with it, or when it's cooking, either way, you can get a plate out, so you can just throw it on the plate when you're done. Because mine is almost done. Yeah, mine is done, actually. Well, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks. Oh, and make sure you turn off the stove when you're done, because you don't want to get a house fire. And when you're done turning on the stove, you set it where you can clean it. Well, that's all for now. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and if you want more videos, subscribe, and thanks for watching.